So this is the way I stabilized my washer without the shipping bolts when I was moving. I've already done this. I'm just gonna detach it so you guys can actually see it. I think I got maybe 6 screws. One right there, one underneath it. And be careful not to drop this shit. This one. And this is a Samsung washer. I don't know what the hell happened to my shipping bolts. It was delivered through Best Buy, and I actually think the guys, forgot to give it to us because I really don't throw anything away. And actually, I was completely unaware that, they're actually needed. I moved it before, and didn't even use any damn thing. And my washer washed just fine. And when I was going to move, some guy was telling me that they actually pretty much like needed. And I searched online and on YouTube, and nobody didn't have any videos on actually how to stabilize the damn thing without it being damaged. So maybe this is a first. I don't know. So hopefully my shit stills work, because if not, then it's gonna be a $800 damn problem. But if I got lucky the first time, maybe I'll get lucky the second. Okay, let me see. There we go. 2 more. Yeah, man, this thing is heavy as fuck. Maybe about 250 or 300 pounds. I mean, I had to help the moving crew move this shit, so I didn't want it to break. Okay, what the fuck did it go to? Motherfucking enrolled underneath the damn washer. Fuck me. I guess I'll get that later. Or maybe it's over here. I don't know where the hell it went to. But anyways. Three. So the lid on this damn thing just basically slides right off. Okay. Probably gonna laugh at the shit I actually have inside of here. You have to do what you can, with what you have. So let me see. I have to pick this up a little bit. Okay, so I had 2 pieces of wood. I'm sorry, 4 pieces of wood held in place to actually stabilize it, right? So you can see that really won't move, right? But when it was actually moving the damn thing, this piece of wood fell through, and it was actually stabilizing the left side. But due to the fact that I actually have this piece of wood, or these 2 pieces of wood on the right side, probably saved it. And I used one of my wife's shoe boxes to actually stabilize it from rocking back and forth, as you can see. And I used some duct tape. God damn it. Anyway, use some duct tape to actually keep it from, you know, falling down below, because I kind of foresaw that shit. And these little bands, what I actually used, came from garbage bags or whatever. So I just kind of just like jerry-rigged it around the duct tape to hold it in place so it won't actually fall through. And, you know, I was actually kind of worried about this side anyway, but hopefully everything's working. Probably got to give it a test wash to see, and I'll let you guys know what's up. So anyways, I can't tell you the direct dimensions of this pieces of wood. I know it's long as fuck. I actually had it made it from Home Depot some time ago. Yeah, so maybe it's about 2 feet in length. What's that? Maybe about half an inch, something like that. Maybe 3/4 of an inch for each one. I don't know, but I guess you got to do your own measurements. I probably got damn lucky again. So I'll update this video and let you know if everything's working just fine. Okay, here's a follow-up on my video. I've put it together, all the major components, and I've let it run on spin cycle and rinse. It's been running for about 6 minutes. I haven't had any problems so far. It's an 18-minute spin cycle, or rinse and spin cycle. Here it goes. The inside of the washer. I guess this must be SOL. Okay, so here's the spin cycle working. I've been letting it run for about 8 minutes. It's on the rinse and spin cycle, so I figure I'll just give it a test run. It's not vibrating or anything like that. It's pretty stable. So maybe solid success. Yes, I really want to know until I put some clothes in it. As you can see, the jets are working pretty good. Okay, there we go. Minimum rocking is to be expected. It's not like it was wobbling all over the place. Again, it's pretty stable. You have a bunch of springs in there, you know, prevent things, you know, from shaking and hitting the walls. It's pretty stable. And I think it's a success. Maybe I should turn off this light.